Hey guys, Chris fix you.
Hey, what are you doing? You gonna get a suit?
Yeah.
Try again.
Hey guys, all the Beanz racing you.
Yeah, all the Beanz racing here. Make sure you guys are liking, commenting, subscribing, all that good stuff to help the algorithm. Is that right?
Algorithm.
Yeah, that word. All right. So, Jace, why don't you tell them what we have done?
We cut Y2, so the radiator can fit into Y2, and Y2 so we can put the cap on.
Yeah, so we notched out for the fill tube, and we're gonna box that in so it looks a little bit prettier. We just wanted to get some paint on it, see how it's gonna kind of look. But we will trim that out, make it look a little bit better. For the bottom, we're gonna take a piece of angle iron and we're gonna attach it this way, and then where it pops up this way to hold the bottom of the radiator, then we'll form some little brackets that bolt in to hold the radiator in after we put some foam down so nothing breaks. We don't want to break the radiator. All right, so that's a Corvette radiator. Supposedly, I think it's a C4. I'm not even sure. It was given to us. It was new in the box. Of course, we banged it up a little bit, but it's going to work out pretty good for our situation. After we did that, we hit it with a coat of black paint. Is it perfect?
No.
No. Do we do anything perfect?
No.
No. Don't get it right. Just get it done. You know what? It's cleaned up. There's not grease all over it. It looks better. It's good enough, guys. It's not a Ferrari. It's an S10. We love S10. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. We're only at 1:38. We're good. All right. So we're trying to focus on more on shorts now. Anyways, what else have we done, Jace?
We painted the heater box.
Yeah, this is a first gen S10 heater box. It's already been notched out for a small block Chevy that was in a first gen S10. We painted that flat black. We don't know if we're gonna leave it or paint it gloss black, but whatever. What did we do over here?
We painted the frame gloss black.
We painted the whole entire frame all the way underneath of it, as you can see. We're debating on what to do with the firewall. If we're gonna clean it up or get some cans of color match paint and actually color match it. We got 30 seconds. Somebody said Rust-Oleum Sunrise Red was a perfect match for this truck. It's not. We also scratched up the roll pan trying to get it on. Also, when that tailgate falls on your head, it hurts. All right, so that's what we've been up to. Next step is to start on this. We got that transmission sold. So we're doing pretty good. We need to get some stuff cleaned up, but yeah, we're under 3 minutes. Did we do good?
No.
Subscribe, like, comment.